Should you buy a refurbished MacBook from Apple? Yes, you should. Now, if that's the only question you had, you can click off this video and enjoy your life knowing that you just saved hundreds of dollars on what is essentially the exact same product. This is my MacBook Pro 14-inch. But as I open it up, I wanted to share a few thoughts on the refurbished laptops available from Apple. So if I very quickly show you something on my older laptop, this is the M1 2020 edition, which is a very good laptop. It will stay in my life for certain activities, but for my video editing, I need a little bit more processing, a little bit more memory. This is the exact laptop that I ordered on Apple's refurbished section. In this case, the configuration I had would have been $3,300 Canadian, which, by the way, I checked the US site to compare to. It would have been $2,400 US. And that's all I'm going to tell you about the specs in this video. Because as anyone who has shopped for a laptop can tell you, when you are shopping, there's a lot of interesting options in the MacBook lineup. In fact, now that we have very capable M4 chips, M3 chips, M2 chips, we're almost spoiled for choice when it comes to Apple's laptops. So there's a lot of different videos out there that will try to lead you in one direction or another. All I want to show you today is if you follow what I just showed you, which is the easiest way to find this for me, is just Googling Apple refurbished. They don't advertise it very much, but if you know where to go, they allow you to either see all of their options or filter. For example, I know I want a MacBook Pro. I know I want the 14-inch, but if you want, you can show 14 and 16. What year do you want? What color do you want? I specified space black, and I specified I definitely wanted to upgrade from 16, which was what I had before, so I would have chosen anything above 16. But yeah, you can select what you want, and even though you might not have the exact configuration, for example, here's another very nice option. If you're okay with the 10-core CPU, 10-core GPU, I mean, this, again, you got yourself 1 terabyte of storage, very powerful M4 chip, 2,000 Canadian, that's only like 1,500 USD or slightly less than that. So again, you got some really good deals here. But enough about showing you websites. Let's show you my new toy. As you can see, in case you were wondering what it looks like when you get refurbished, the unboxing experience is not too different. Oh, this is nice. So they did give us the original wrapping and stuff. Because, you know, it's interesting. And just for context, I've ordered refurbished once before. Not my previous laptop, but the one before that was refurbished. And so that's why I remembered that it would come in an original box and stuff. But I wasn't sure about this part, if they actually had the wrapping and stuff like this. But yeah, I mean, this is truly indistinguishable from the unboxing experience of a brand new laptop. I'm going to assume anyone who is watching this video, oh, this is nice. Yeah, this is a big moment for me, guys. You know, there's a lot of tech review channels who unbox laptops who probably have a new laptop to show you every few weeks because that's what they do on their channels. But for me, this is my first laptop in 4.5 years. This is my working tool. This is what I'm going to travel with. This is what I'm going to make videos with. This is what I'm going to make money with. This is a very important part of my life. So So please allow me a few seconds to get giddy and excited as I open this up for the first time. As you probably know, a refurbished laptop is just something that, let's say there was an issue with the screen and someone else sent back their laptop and got a replacement. That laptop would then go back to Apple, who would diagnose what's wrong with it, replace the screen, and then put it through the same quality control of a brand new laptop. Now, of course, the screen is just a hypothetical. There could be any one of 1,000 different reasons why your laptop is refurbished. But the main point is it's not technically brand new, so they can't sell it as brand new. But for all intents and purposes, you have yourself a brand new laptop. Oh. Hello, my new friend. Nice to meet you. Now, if there is one thing, one little thing to distinguish this from a new laptop, it will be if there's any cycles on the battery. And if I just open up my 13-inch and show you what I mean. But yeah, my old laptop, the cycle count was at 700. 84% battery health. But yeah, if someone had previously used this laptop and they had cycled it 5 times or something, right? They'd had 2 or 3 weeks with that laptop.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
There would be no reason for Apple to throw out that battery and give you a brand new one. So you might see a couple of cycles depending on the previous life of this laptop. But yeah, once again, Siri, no thanks. Go away, Siri. Come back when you know how to do things. But yeah, once again, I just wanted to make this video because I know that laptops can be big purchases for people. In fact, you know, when I was purchasing this laptop, again, it was over $3,000 Canadian, and I was thinking, ooh, I don't know the last time I've spent that much money on anything. Even though it is a work tool for me, this is, you know, it is a big decision. And with so many different options out there, even if you do know you want a Mac, which most of us watching this video are probably in the Apple ecosystem, choosing between the Air and the Pro and then the M4, the M3, the 14, the 16. Do I want extra processors? Do I want extra RAM? Do I want extra storage? Will I use external SSDs? All of these questions can be really overwhelming. And Apple is great at pricing things strategically. One way to avoid that extra money is you can save hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and the only difference will be that little number 4 next to cycle count instead of 0. My battery is still 100%. I had the whole brand new laptop unboxing experience, and I now have myself a beautiful M4 space black 14-inch laptop. And even if you have any reason not to buy refurbished, let us know in the comment section. I would be happy to hear from you. As always, I'm Dan, and I will catch you next time. Peace.